Myntri rangba ka jilaw Conrad ki sangma next ngi palay ulasam ya kadok kendang sa Baroh ki Myntri jong Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 bawlabat hadian ya kitnat bakongsan bakentup ya kitnat finance bat ka mining and geology. Katkum ka jing Bhah ka Myntri rangba ka jila ulabat haladi ya kitnat finance, planning, home, forest, mining and geology, information technology, personal, program implementation, cabinet affairs, bat kiwe kitinat baklam aish kiwe ki Myntri. Uba Preston dan song, ubabat ya kasyuki sembut Myntri rangba kajila, ulayo banbat ya katinat home, PWD road, PWD building, district council affairs, bat katinat parliamentary affairs. Uba singyaw bahalang dahar, ubadayru sembut Myntri rangba, ulayo abat ya katinat urban affairs, transport, industries, prison. Uba ALHEG ulayo obat ikatanat animal husbandry, fisheries, printing and stationery, bat ka secretariat administration. Ikong Amprin Lingdo ilayo obat ikatanat health and family welfare, law, IPR, bat katanat agriculture. Uba Paul Lingdo ulayo obat ikatanat social welfare, tourism, arts and culture, bat ka textiles. Uba coming one omban ulayo obat ikatanat food civil supply, water resources, home defense and home guards, bat katanat cooperation. Uabu Taher Mandal ulayo obat ikatanat power community and rural development, bat katanat taxation. Umakerman Shila ulayo obat ikatanat excise revenue and disaster management, legal metrology, bat katanat home passport. Marcus N. Marak ulayo obat ikatanat public health engineering PHE, housing, bat katanat soil and water conservation. Urakam A. Sangma ulayo obat ikatanat education, general administration department, bat katanat border area development. Uba Shakliar Wardri ulayo obat ikatanat sports and youth affairs, labor, bat registration and stamps department.